First you have to open the terminal. Then you have to connect to a server with SSH. Now update the server packages. Install unzip. Now we're ready to install and configure the database. I use MariaDB. With this command you can configure the database defaults. No root password. No Unix socket authentication. No root password. Yes, remove anonymous user. Disallow root login remotely. Remove test database. Reload privileges table. Now that MariaDB is installed, you can access it with sudo mysql. Now create a WordPress database. With this command you create the user WordPress user with the password of password. With this command you grant all privileges on WordPress to WordPress user. Flush the privileges and exit. Now we can configure the web server. First install Apache 2. Now we can install PHP. WordPress needs some more PHP packages, so now install it. Now we can create the folder for the website. Now let's get the WordPress packages. With the following command you unzip and delete the zip file. Now we have to move all the contents from the WordPress folder to the current folder. And delete the old WordPress folder. Now all the contents are in this file. We can now give the Apache user permissions to this folder. Now it's time to configure the virtual hosts. Just use the domain with a .conf at the end. Now you can paste the content from the description. Now change the server name to your domain. The server admin to your email address. The document root to the path of your website. The directory path to the path of your website. Error log and custom log the same, your domain. Now enable the config. Reload Apache. Now the page is available. But it's not secure. We can change that with certbot and the SSL certificate. To install this, you need Python. Now we have to install certbot. With this command, you can create your certificate. Enter your email. Say yes. Say no. Select your domain. Now the certificate is created. Go back onto your website. And now the website is secure. To configure WordPress, select your language. Press Let's Go. The database name is WordPress. The username is WordPress user. The password is password. Now press Submit. Now we can start the installation. Choose a page title. Choose a username. Choose a strong password and your email. Install WordPress. Login. Now you're on your WordPress dashboard. Here you can install plugins and customize it. To go on a page, and here is your WordPress page. And this is how you install WordPress. Have fun!